How to fix Steam error code 50. First, end all Steam process running in the background. Also close Steam in the system tray. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, go to the Downloads section. Under Clear Download Cache, click Clear Cache. Select the In-Game section on the left. Scroll down to the Delete Web Browser Data section. Click Delete.